Hello everyone, this is me Abid Qureshi and you are watching the Abid Qureshi official YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to properly connect the Mini A9 camera. Before moving forward, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you continue to receive helpful video like this in the future. First, you need to download the YSX Lite app. After that, you open it as soon as it's open, turn on the location. The next step is to simply turn on the mobile's Wi-Fi. Apart from these two things, there is no need to turn on any other option. You should see a Wi-Fi name for the camera on your mobile Wi-Fi. Just click on the connect option in the YSX Lite app. You will see that it connects simply. One thing to remember in that the camera is power button must be on throughout this process. Otherwise the Wi-Fi name will not show on your mobile Wi-Fi list. So I hope you understand the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a good comment. To stay updated with the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, please give me permission. Allah Hafiz.